Dude, they did the shittiest job on this. Look at this. With that much reinforcement of the concrete, this is gonna fucking rattle apart again. Again. You fucking dumbasses. Look at that. They should have brought that out this much. I think it should have been brought out further. It's just sloppy in there. Look at that. Look at that. Stick my finger underneath there. So there's your support. There, nothing. Nothing. Look. Look at that. Why can I stick my fingers under there? Ah, look at this shit. This is even worse. They fucking made this. They literally did it. It was, this section wasn't even that bad. Look at that. I can stick my fingers under there. Look at that. Good job, Giant Eagle Management. Or maintenance. This is the Giant Eagle maintenance job. Good job, guys. Take care. Okay, had to be busted up and yeah. Holy fuck, this is, dude, who the fuck did this? So what, they called in a concrete truck and looked like they, Jesus Christ.